In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove and delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. So if we go to search here on Instagram and we go to the search bar here, you can see that right where it says recent, we'll see the recent searches that we've had. So we can go and just tap the X to the right of those to remove those. And then if we want to, we can go to see all and then see all of them here and tap clear all in the upper right-hand corner to remove them. Now just know that unfortunately, when you start typing, so let's say we start typing the word camping, you can see that it will come up with what it thinks we might be typing. These can't be removed and the suggestions below cannot either. But what you can do is you can reset your algorithm. So if we go to our profile, so tap your profile image in the lower right-hand corner. Once you're there, tap on the three lines in the upper right-hand corner to swing out the settings and activity. And then a new setting and feature is if we scroll down, we can go and tap into content preferences where it says what you see. We can tap on content preferences, and then there is an option that says reset suggested content. If we tap that option there, it says want a fresh start, and it lets you know that this cannot be undone and what it does. It will not change who you follow or your ad topics. This will not delete your data. All it does is reset the algorithm, and it resets the profiles and images and videos that it presents to you and shows you under search. So what you do here is you tap next like so, and then go ahead and go to reset suggested content. Go ahead and tap the red reset suggested content button. And what you'll see now is when you go home, it will just show you generic videos. So your suggested content has been reset. You probably need to reset or shut down the app, close it out completely, reopen it, and you should be good to go. With that said, I'll have some frequently asked questions down below in a pinned comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.